Hi guys, so we're at the Esplanade right now. But Jester, why do you bring me here?
So remember the day we were complaining that Singapore is very boring, right? So I used the Locomo app and I actually realized that Esplanade showcases a lot of local performances here, and I think it's good for us to come and support the local talent.
That sounds good. Guys, let's go! Woo! Okay, hi guys, the food is here and it looks really good, so we're gonna dig in. Catch you guys later.